Yes, sir. Make it rain. We're making it rain, baby. Come on. Let's do it. What? Y'all thought I was finished? Let's go. Where the strippers at? Y'all bitches need to come out right now. Yeah, my boy Skies blessed me with a chain. You did.
You did. Hold on, I got mine on too. You did.
Yeah,
that
all
way.
That. You did.
That way.
Oh. Yo, I'm spending $42 on beef jerky. This shit better taste fire, so I'm gonna slap the shit out their ass.
Yes.
You gonna get that man 1 star. Why? You gonna get no stars then. Why you gave him stars? Why you just ain't slap the fuck out of him? I should have been saying
you supposed to be my cousin, oh bitch ass nigga. Who cut your shit? And then
who gonna beat the fuck out of him then?
12 a.m. we celebrating. We celebrate my brother DJ Khaled, new release, Father of Assad. It's a classic moment for the culture, for the game, for, you know, hip hop, street music, for DJs, for collaborations. You know, this some big shit, you know what I'm saying? The streets excited to hear that Nipsey Hussle record. You know, the John Legend shit, you know, Khaled always put together huge, you know, some of the biggest records in the game. So get ready, make sure you stream